Hello and welcome to Brother Frederick Beats. Let's jump into FL Studio and show you some themes which I've made. So as you can see the way FL Studio is looking, this is one of my themes. So let's go to options. I'll just take you through some of the themes. Then go to theme settings. So as you can see, if I select the first one, you have seen FL Studio has changed. This one, you can see it has changed again. Select this one, it has changed. Select this one, you can see it has changed. So even if I go on the piano roll, go to piano roll, you can see the color of the notes here where they are. They've also changed. So let me just show you how you can add these themes into FL Studio. There is one with a bonus one which I'm going to show you how you can add your themes into FL Studio. So let me just close FL Studio. So go to this PC, then double left click. When it opens, go to documents, then open image line, then go to FL Studio, open it, then go to settings, also open it. So you can see this is a folder for themes. I'm going to copy that theme which I want to add here. So I've already opened the folder where that theme is. So this is a theme. I'll just right click on it, then copy it. Then I'll go to that folder which I've opened for themes. Then I'll right click on it, then I'll paste it here. So I'll close this one, then I will open FL Studio. So go back to options, then theme settings. The one I added is this one, which is then Brother Frederick Beats bonus theme. If I click on it, you have seen FL Studio has changed. Then when I right click here, then I go on the piano roll, you can see it has changed here. So even if I go on the mixer here, you can see the way the mixer is looking. If I play something on the mixer here, just check. So if you want these themes, the link will be on the description below, also pinned on the first comment on the comment box below. This has been Brother Frederick Beats. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.